Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, a very important question that we mostly face, especially those students who are going to conduct research for the first time, or they are the beginners. So they mostly face this question, that how to search and download research article from internet. So there are various ways, various techniques, but we are going to discuss one of the most easiest and simplest way that through which we can get the our desired research article from the internet very easily. So Kokab Manzoor is a trainer, speaker, life coach. You can see my YouTube link where you can find more than 200 videos about various subjects. My contact number, email address is also visible. You can contact me by using any of these medium, right? So are you ready? So that we are going to solve this issue, especially for those students who are really stuck in getting the research article. So what's the way? So it's very simple. Let's begin, right? First of all, what you're going to do, you'll click the Chrome or Internet Explorer or anything that you are using. So here you will write scholar.google.com, right? So when you write this, you will have a Google Scholar page. Here you can write any topic that you are in search of, any area that you are interested in doing the research. Like for example, we are going for stress management, right? So write the topic here or the area and then click the search, right? So here you can see number of articles and books and everything is visible here. So whatever you feel good or you are interested in, so you can click it. On the left side you can see the year wise as well, right? If you want to have the latest articles, right, that are published in 2019, right, 2018, 2015, or even you can custom the range. You can put the number of years here, from this to this year I need that. So sometimes you see when you are presenting your work to your supervisor, so the supervisor raises one objection that the research, the literature review does not contain the latest article, right? Like you see here it's mentioned it is 2011 and it's 1997. So why not to click this to get the latest one, right? So here you can get the latest article, right? So you see 2019, 2019, right, all the articles. So stress management, all the relevant articles are even you can have some more areas here where you can search it, right? So let's suppose we click any article, this one, smart moms program, whatever, and now you can have it. Okay, so here is the article, right? Here the highlight, here's the abstract, method is there, but it's not full, right? So you can get it, this article, like this is published in elsewhere, right? Now sometimes it is mentioned like for example, if we go here, and if the article is available free, that's fair enough. But if article, in some cases article is not available freely, right? Like in this case you see this is effect of cognitive behavioral stress management program. Here is the article, here is the abstract, here is the abstract, right? But if you need abstract, it's fair enough. But if you want to have a full article, so here it's mentioned buy, right, purchase it. So it's very difficult for you to pay, for example. So what do you do? So, and even if you see here view full text, PDF, EPUB, it's all not clickable, right? So you cannot get it. So you need to buy this article, right? You see, buy this article. So how to get it free? So it's very simple. Click a new tab, write sci-hub.tw, right, sci-hub.tw, right? Now here what you're going to do, you'll go back to this and you will select the entire title of the article, right click, copy, click this here, come here, and then right click. paste, right, and you can click open. So here comes your article. So since I have already opened it first, so it's directly appeared. If it's not appearing, so here you'll see a captcha and you can write that captcha and then you can get it right. So here is the article, whatever you're looking for. So you can see all the entire instruments, results, the entire article is visible here. And the first job is done, that you found the article. Now the second aspect, how to get it in your computer, means how to get download, right? So it's very simple. Here is the icon, you see, download. So you simply click it and you will get it, you see, and here save, wherever you want to save it. So it's saved, you see, it's saved. So if you want to see it, so you can also get it here, like you see, it is temp 2017, that was the name of the article. Here you can have this article. You can print it, you can download it, you can highlight it, you can do whatever you want to see. That's how we want to highlight it, you want to download it, whatever you want. So this is the way you can get the article. Simply let's repeat it. What we are going to do is, first you will write Google Scholar, right? Open the Google Scholar, write the article area, wherever write the area, name of the area, like stress management, teacher training, engineering, whatever, right? And then select the article that you want to see. If article is freely available, fair enough. If it's not, so you can have, if you want abstract, so abstract is already available in almost in all the article, right? If not, so you can simply then go to the Science Hub, sci-hub.tw, and you will have the tab, right? So we have the search tab, so you can write it here, select the article title, copy it, and then paste it here, and then open, and you will get the article, right? So this is the simplest way to get all the research article that you want to get it right. So hope you got the concept. If there's any question, confusion, queries, you can still ask. So one more thing that I want to share with you, that some reputable journals are, you can say, Taylor and Francis, where you can get some article with impact factor, or you can say reputable articles considered to be like well written article, right? Similarly, Sage, here the link is given, elsewhere link is also given, Emerald. Obviously you cannot click it directly, but you can simply see journal.sagepub.com, so you can get it right. Similarly, see taylorandfrancis.com/journals. So you can use these links, or you can go for any other journals of your own area which is more relevant, but reputable journals, right? In fact, there are groups of journals as well, so you can use any of these. So anyway, thank you very much. Hope you got the concept, and if there's any question, confusion, or query, you can ask. I hope now your problem is solved. If your problem is solved, so please do share with others, so that others' problems are also solved. Take care. Thank you very much.